Students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound. The unknown virus, born considered to be born from Wuhan city of China, has caused a great loss to the life and academic health of the students. Academic damage was at the peak. No doubt some students were facilitated or are facilitating or getting facilitated by this digital mode. But some students of poor background who are not in possession of mobile phones, smartphones, did not receive anything from this digital mode. Yesterday, a girl met me in the classroom, a very poor girl, but comparatively an intelligent girl. I asked her how many lectures you watched on YouTube and other sites. She sighed and answered, "Nothing at all, because I am not in possession of mobile phone, and my father hardly earns rupees 2000 per month. How can I buy a phone and get these digital classes?" This was a painful story narrated by her. They are students and who were not in possession of mobile phones and did not receive anything. There are suggestions, five important suggestions for them. You must act upon these suggestions and you will cross the examination with ease. First of all, you have to arrange the ready-made notes. Ready-made notes. How you can arrange the ready-made notes? Visit your classmate, get notes from him, make its photocopies or food state. If you can't pay for food state, do visit school, come to school. We will provide you print of these notes without any cost. First thing is that. Second thing, you have to frame a timetable. Timetable is important because when you give sufficient time to every subject, that is how you can cross it. That is how you can memorize the things and will cross the examination with ease. Frame a timetable, give sufficient time to every subject. Third important thing is that the 70% syllabus is there, 30% redaction is there. Select some chapters. Select some chapters. If there are 10 chapters in your mathematics, in your political science, in your English, just prepare for 5 to 6 chapters. Do concentrate hard here and easily you will crack the examinations. Easily you can crack the examinations. And third important thing is that you need to build confidence. Confidence building is important. If you are losing your confidence that I will not cross the coming examination scheduled in the month of November, your everything is controlled by your brain. So prepare brain for it that I will cross the examination and build confidence in you. And fourth important thing is that you have to remain psychologically motivated. Psychologically motivated means you have to leave all those tensions that are hitting your mind, that examinations are approaching fast, they are being held in the month of November. I can't prepare myself for the coming examinations and I will fail. No. Within 1.5 months, you can prepare yourself by putting the extra efforts. So it is very leave psychological depression, be psychologically motivated that I will cross every barrier. I will cross the coming exams scheduled in the month of November. But important thing is that you have to remain busy with the books. Remain busy with the books. And when you remain busy with the books, you will definitely meet with some difficulties while learning. If any sort of confusion strikes your mind while going through the notes or while preparing yourselves for the coming examinations, do call your teachers. We will be round the clock available for you in guiding you, or do visit school on your turn where you will be facilitated to the larger extent, to the largest extent. The students who did not receive the things from the digital mode will be given more preference because the teachers understand these things, who needs more attention and who needs less attention, because more attention is toward the student group which never who never receive anything from the digital mode. So five things or four or five things you have to keep in the mind. First, I am repeating: arrange notes, make photo state of these notes, prepare timetable, give sufficient time to all subjects. Third, select some chapters because 70% would be asked in the examinations. Your guess is always better. Fourth important thing is that build confidence. Build confidence that I will crack the examination with good percentage of marks. 1.5 month is enough for preparing the things. And fifth, leave all tensions. Leave psychological depressions. Be psychologically motivated that I will crack the examinations with ease. Because 33% or 35% is very easy to get. So be psychologically motivated that I will crack the examinations. Dear students, hope you will act upon these advices and the next year you would be in the next class. I am completely hopeful of that. Thanks. Be balanced.